peanut butter, banana bread. Okay, everyone, this is pretty good. This is the stage my bananas are in when I make banana bread. Start by blending your bananas until smooth with 1 cup oil, then 2 tablespoons vanilla. Blend until smooth and creamy. Pour into a medium bowl. Scrape everything out of your blender really well. Crack 3 eggs into your pureed bananas. Whisk these up well. In a separate bowl, combine your dry ingredients. 1 3/4 cup sugar, 1 3/4 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon ground cloves, 1/4 teaspoon ground ginger. Whisk it up. Combine the wet ingredients with the dry ingredients. Do not overmix. Mix just until combined. Then split your batter into 2 bowls. 1 bowl will get brown sugar, espresso powder, and more cinnamon added to it. The other will get peanut butter added. First bowl, add 1 tablespoon cinnamon, 2 tablespoons brown sugar, 1/2 teaspoon espresso powder optional. Only slightly mix. You want it to have streaks of color in it. That's plenty. I added 1/2 cup of peanut butter to the remaining batter. I gave it a quick mix in the blender. Grease your baking dish or use parchment liners. Using big scoops, spoon both batters randomly, trying not to mix them up much. This can be placed into other types of pans as well. Adjust your cooking time depending on how deep of a pan you are using. Next, I used a butter knife to do big swirls in my pan. Don't overdo it or you can't notice the swirls as much. In a preheated 325 oven, this took about 1 hour. I had to put foil on mine halfway through so it wouldn't get too hard and dry on the outside. Once it reaches 200 or toothpick entered, in the center comes out clean or with just a few moist crumbs, then your bread is done. My pan had a bit too much batter, the very top. Middle was taking forever. Try only filling 2/3 of the way with batter mine was. Like 3/4 full or more. I put some leftover batter in cupcake liners. They took 12 to 15 minutes. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.